Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the architecture of Google Cloud. You can think of Google Cloud infrastructure in three different layers. At the base, we have networking and security, which lays the foundation to support of all Google's infrastructure and application. On the next layer sits compute and storage. So Google Cloud separates, basically if I want to mention it in a technical term, it decouples compute and storage so they can scale independently based on their need. And on the top of this layer sits the big data and machine learning products, which enables you to perform tasks to ingest, store, process, and deliver business insights, data pipelines, and building ML models. And thanks to Google Cloud, all these things are accomplished without needing to manage and scale the underlying infrastructure. And organizations with growing data needs often require lot of compute and storage to run their big data jobs. Keeping this in mind, Google Cloud has designed this for the future of organizations where the compute and the storage only grows. Google offers a range of computing services, storage options, and robust big data and machine learning products, which we will discuss in the upcoming sessions of this course. I'll see you there. Happy learning.